Welcome, in front of me is Lenovo ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will tell you how many RAM slots your laptop has. To check it, we have to simply right-click the taskbar, then go to Task Manager and open Performance tab right here. And then go to Memory section, that's the one. And as you can see, your device has 2 slots of memory, but the form factor is raw chips, which means that this RAM sticks are irreplaceable. So basically you have 2 slots, but you can't replace your memory, at least on this model. Maybe you have a slightly different model which allows it. And then the form factor would be SODIMM, and in such case you'd be able to replace the sticks. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, then consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.